The title of this is Keeping Traders Safe. I mentioned a couple weeks ago that when I give the warning, no shorts above, you should consider heeding that advice. When I have no longs below, you should heed that advice, okay? Keeping traders safe. You don't want to be the guy that keeps trying to short this and you're so frustrated. So here's what I challenge you to do. You need to come up with your protocol for when the risk of short covering is high. I'm going to tell you what mine is. When I know the risk of short covering is high and I feel like I have a clear bull bear line, which I had here, I'm either in early or I walk away from the chart. So when I was long here at 80 and I got wicked out, which I'm so disappointed, but I'm done. I close my chart as soon as I start seeing these white candles. I'm not going to counter it because that's my first instinct. And I just get out of the way. And as soon as it cleared this half back and did 3 tests, maybe after this long period of time, I would have been interested in a long, maybe. But I've learned for me personally, this is me, walk away from the chart. There are easier days to trade than the most violent, vicious price action known to man, which is short covering. Okay? During RTH, during the risk of short covering, you must respect that. And know if you counter, you'd better have a backup on top of a backup. And do it small. But for my traders, this was a high time frame 30-minute level. What do we do when we get that? We start looking for evidence of laddering up to get long. Why? Because it typically bounces. And for the people who joined Zoom this morning, because free Zoom pass this week, I said it typically goes up 15 to 25 points. That is what we expect typically at minimum. And I like to be in those trades. So there's the 15 to 25 points that we got off of that. So if you joined Zoom today with the Zoom pass and you're watching this, make a comment below that, yep, that's what we talked about. Yep, that is what happened. Because, I told the group this morning, I said, there's no way I can go on YouTube and say, yeah, we went long here. And some of my members made 20 points and more. It just seems like, yeah, of course that's what happened. But no, that's what happened. So I'm just trying to keep traders safe when I make these notes. Notice, above this strong range here, I have no strong levels up here. None. Why? Because I felt that the risk of this happening was high. My goal was to be long early. I was in it twice and just didn't hold on. Oh well, there are easier days to trade. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.